Hi friends, now we can learn how to create a blog. There are several blogging platforms available like Tumblr. Tumblr is a simple platform to create a microblog and it is available in Android mobile phones, Android as well as Apple mobile phones to create a simple uh, blog, and it is called as microblogging. And in that microblog you can add different things like text, images, videos, audios, links, hyperlinks. All things are possible. Okay, and the space is unlimited. Okay, and you can search in the and Play Store to create such a platform. And another one is WordPress. What is the advantage of WordPress is that there are so many plugins available. And in the WordPress, uh, while creating a site, it may look like a professional website. But the problem is that the free version allow you to create only 2 GB of space. But I think that is enough to create a home page and some additional pages. But I think you cannot develop year by year in that site. For that purpose, you may have to purchase it by giving some uh, element, some payment. 280 rupees per month, 640 rupees per month for business, 152 rupees per month for e-commerce. Then for personal purpose, 160 rupees. Okay, such a payment is there for WordPress. Otherwise, you can go for free version. Here in free version, the limitation is that. Okay, then the space is not limited, and most beautiful one is Blogger, and Blogger is owned by Google. So you can use your own email ID and password to create this. In order to create Tumblr or WordPress, you have to create an account there. Tumblr, the space is unlimited, but the plugins and other options are limited. Here, so many plugins are available, so many options are there, but you can never convert it into a website in later time. But the advantage of WordPress is that you can directly convert to a paid website later. The Blogger can be converted into a website later. But here, Blogger is always a blog, but with a professional look. I will demonstrate some of the famous blog in Kerala. The one of the famous blog, and it is a collaborative blog. This advantage of this blog is that you can collaborate with your friends and students to add materials. This is actually a blog, but so many materials are there, so many space or content are there, and these contents are developed by the help of many teachers of Kerala. Then this is a blog of a large group of professional teachers in a particular subject, mathematics. In that way, we can create another uh, blog for an institution. Here, this is a blog for the institution. In my institution, here it is linked with the main website. Here I add several activities in this way. Okay, then it is started from 2013 onwards. 2013 onwards, we can watch different activities, and it is accumulated in the form of a diary. Okay, uh, in that way, this is a good platform to document things. Okay, right. Now I can demonstrate one personal blog like that. Here, my own blog. Here, you may identify the similarity in the address. Here the college name and blogspot.com. Here the first part of my name and blogspot.com. Such a part is there, blogspot.com. See, in maths bloggers also mathematics .blogspot.com. In that way, a name blogspot.com is repeated in the domain name, because it is a free domain name and we have to create this domain. This first part should be created by us. The later part will be added by the blogger. Now we can go for how to create a blog. For that purpose, just go for blogger in Google, and in the first link itself just touch and sign in. Okay, if you go for signing option, now it is already signed in, so I just signed out to demonstrate the first scene. Yeah, this is the first scene of a blogger. If you have no blog yet, you can just start with create your blog. Otherwise, if you have some blog, just sign in. Then I will demonstrate how to create a new blog. Just click here, create a new blog. Now I want to enter into the blog with my email ID and password. I just give my email ID and the password, the original password of the blog is added there, and here I reach to my all created blogs. You can create 100 blogs per email ID. Yes, 100 blogs per email ID. That means you can create number of blogs. Now we give a title. For example, here I give Kusat FDP. Yeah. Now I need a address like that of drkss.blogspot.com or nsstraining.college.blogspot.com or mathematics.blogspot. In that way, I need an address, but this address may not be available. For example, if I try it for sergeant.blogspot.com, it will not be available. Sorry, this blog address is not available. I will try to create qsat.blogspot.com, but I think it may not be available. See why? Some QSAT students or teachers will already used it. Then QSAT FDP, yeah, qsatfdp.blogspot.com, it is available. Now select one theme for this. I here select any theme. I will select one Emporio. Yeah, I select ethereal. Okay, now wait for a while. Yeah, this is the first. This is a window will appear. This type of a window will appear, and just click on no thanks, because it is to purchase a Google domain. Just give no thanks, and there may be some warning like this. Just click close and create your first post. Here my first post is that welcome. Here I type dear participants, please watch my blog. See, in this COVID time, one of my friend created a blog for teaching. He have no Google Classroom, Edmodo or Moodle. He just used this blog to conduct a class. I will show that also. Okay, here I type. I can add one image. We can add images from different area. You can either upload an image from your computer. You can directly upload an image. Okay, in that way the image will be uploaded. Then click the image again to make a blue border and click selected, and it will be appeared here. Again click on the image. You can improve the size into small, medium, large, extra large, etc. I may reduce the size to large. Okay, this size is enough. In that way you can add some images to your blog. Okay, then another important thing is that this is one method of adding image. There are many other methods. This is the icon to add image. There are many way to add images. From this blog itself you can add from one post to the other, or from Google for album archive you can Google album archive. From your phone you can add. These are the photos available in my mobile phone, and it is as synchronized with the Google photo. I can directly access these photos here. Okay, then from a URL I can add. Okay, otherwise I can add from a Google photo album archive. I would like to add my own photo into this, or e-teaching for, yeah, I would like to add this photo here. That photo is displayed here. Okay, and this is the method to add images. And if I want to increase the size of the letters, I can change the font, I can increase the size. Okay, I can make it bold, I can make it italics, underline, I can change the color. Okay, I can highlight, I can change the text to background. Such things are possible. Okay, even I can scroll the text through this blog as in a dynamic page. We can move it. Okay, that's all for here. Then I can add videos, etc. But before that I just click on publish, and now this is my first post. Okay, now I would like to watch the post from by clicking the view blog. Now this is the address, kusatfdp.blogspot.com, and this is the page. See, it's good, it's completed. But we can make several changes, several beautification to this blog using these menus. Now I am in the post menu. I would like to add one more post. Introduction. The first one is welcome, and second one is introduction. Okay, now I would like to add one video here. That is the video of the computer fundamentals. Yeah, same. Get a shareable link, and I would like to add into this blog. And there are several ways to add blog the video here. There are several ways. The appearance of this blog may not be blogger may not be same while you access the site. That also I can explain. Here I would like to add the video. Just click here, and from YouTube just to search for the link. Okay, this is the video. Just click here and the video will be appeared here. Okay, just click publish and click here to view the blog. It will be appeared there, and this is the introduction video. The video will be directly.
Usually
the video will be directly played here, and this is a method how to add videos. I will show the blog of That's All. I think that address is not correct exactly. For that purpose I just search in the Google. Usually if we are using Google this blog for several years, it will be appeared in Google search. But we have to give the exact key term. Here the address is here. Exactly, my address is not correct. See, this is a blog created by a sir during this COVID time to teach his subject history for his students, and he's a assistant professor of Department of History, Krishnaman. And what is the advantage of this blog is that he add a daily attendance file for students to add, and this is nothing other than a Google form. See, he add this daily attendance, and he give a answering question answering answer sheet, and the students can answer in this sheet if he provide some question papers, and he provide the content in this way. All these content are here. See, his videos, his lecture videos are here, and he may post daily wise, July 9, July 8, July 8 to post. In that way, he add topics here to teach his students. Okay, such things are possible in a blog. Now we can go back to our blog in order to make some polish work here. How to add a Google form here, and such things can be explained. Then I can add a link in I can conduct an examination. See, this is an examination post. Here I would like to add one question paper. In order to create question paper, I may use Google Forms. Okay, in my already created Google Forms, there are several questions are there. I may use it. Yeah, one blank quiz is there. I just open it. I think there is no question here. Here there is no question. I would like to add one question. Name. Okay, it's a short answer question. Then I would like to ask one question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? The same question. Yeah, in that way you can create question papers, several questions, and after creating this question, just click on the send button, and there are several ways to send the questions. Either you can send us a link, and just copy the link and paste it in your blog. Here you can click here to open question paper. Open question paper, and just select all this area and create a link. Click on link, click here, paste. Okay, now it is converted into a link. If the student click on this link, it will open this what is called this quiz, and they can answer it. Otherwise, you can do another thing. Click on send button and select this embed code. This is embed code. Embed code means HTML code for creating website. This is the code of this page. Just copy this code and come back to our blogger. Here you can add the HTML code. For that purpose, click here the HTML. Click here the HTML, and you can paste the code here and click on publish. Now we can watch the style of this blog by clicking view blog. Now this is the examination. Click here to open question paper one way, or the student can directly answer here. Student can directly give their name and answer, and give submission, and this submissions will be appeared in your Google Drive. Okay, now we can make some more changes here. We can go for statistics, nothing, the number of views, which area of the world is more prone to access this site. Then comments, what are the comments available for this blog? No comments. You can add a new page to this blog, new page about me. See, I can add one page about me, like my contact, otherwise my contact, and I can give my details here, and my phone number, address, such things can be added here. Then click on publish. It will not be appeared anywhere there. It will not be appear anywhere, it is not there, but we have to make some more changes to make it publicly available. For that purpose, click on layout. In layout, there is a one option to add a gadget. In cross column area, we can go for and add a gadget, and among the gadget, one of the important gadget is pages. Click on pages, and among the pages list, my contact is there. See, then if you want to add the CUSAT site into the blog, the easiest way is just copy the address. See, just copy this address. Then what we can do is, in the blog, in the cross column gadget, we can add an external link. See, and here the university, I give the title the university. See, okay, now give the address here, click save link. Okay, that's enough. Click here, save. Now these three things are here. Okay, what will happen? In order to find out what happens there, I want to refresh this page. Actually, there is nothing regarding university, my contacts, etc. here. Please watch. After refreshing this area, all these things are appeared here: home, my contact, the university. If I click on my contact, it will leads to that page, shows my name. You can add address there. Then if I click on this university link, it will open the particular link of this university, and this is the way we can add several tags, pages, tabs here. Okay, that's the purpose of this pages gadget. It is now just added. Okay, in that way you can add number of gadgets. There are number of gadgets or plugins available. See, all are with different functions. You can learn each functions later, but I think this is somewhat enough to create a blog. Okay, now I go for the theme. We can change the theme again. Now the theme is actually ethereal. This is the view in the mobile phone, and this is the view in blog. Okay, in this context I will explain one more thing, that your view may not be this way. If you access your blog, the view may be different. While creating a post, this is may not be the view you can obtain. In such case, just go down here and check this orange icon. Actually, this is old view. Just try the new blogger. See, this is the new view you may obtain while creating a blog, while creating a post. You may obtain this type of a window, creating a new post from this plus button. And this is a mobile friendly platform, the Google newly developed, and you can go back by clicking revert to legacy blogger. So in initial stage of your blog creation, it is better to revert to legacy blogger, or you can, if you are confident, you can directly use the platform. Okay, but there is some bugs yet there in the new layout. That's why I am using the old layout. I am going back, and this is old layout. It is especially prominent while uploading an image and video. Okay, then click here to make changes in the layout. Click here, sorry, in the theme. In the theme, we can customize the theme in different. We can change the theme, you can customize the theme. Here I go for customizing the theme. Customizing may be more advanced. Here you can change all the font size, font letters, colors, types of fonts in each area, in the body text, background, all area you can change minor differences. In that way you can create a new look for your blog than the customized blog. Then here in the layout section, you can change the layout from right column bar. See, this is the right sided bar. You can change into left sided or both sided. I just change into left sided. Okay, now after applying to this to blog, the appearance may be differ. See, left side blog. Now I am clicking on the home to make a good view. See, now the material, the Google form is go out of the blog, not so beautiful. So I have to increase the width. Okay, now I am increasing the width of my blog. I am reducing the left column, then again apply to the blog, and again I come back here to watch. Now it is somewhat good. See, and the form, Google form is fit correctly into here. Now somewhat good. In that way we can customize several things in the blog, and we can change the background. We can instead of that we can add another image. See, the color is changed. We can change all of a sudden we can change the theme also. And after creating all these things, just click on apply button. Here in the themes menu, there are no direct options to make it more beautiful. I think, yeah, this is not so good. Now I click again, come back here, right, apply to blog. Okay, now watch how it is. Yeah, somewhat good. In that way we can customize our blog to make it beautiful, and this is a way of creating a blog. Okay, then we can make an animated movement on this screen like that. For example, in the back to blogger, click back to blogger, and again go to posts. I would like to make some change in the welcome. For that purpose I click on the welcome post. Here I want to move this letter, but that is not so simple. For that purpose we have to learn little bit HTML coding and go for HTML. Here the letter is there somewhere else. Dear participants, yeah, it is here. Just before the particular sentence, type a letter known as, here dear participants is there. Just before, in front of that, just I am typing a code, HTML code. Just less than greater than symbol is there for the code, and here I typing the code MARQUEE. This is the HTML code. For that purpose just close the code and go. In order to close the tag, I want to go the end of this sentence. Yeah, this is the end of that sentence. Here I can close the tag by giving the again less than symbol and a slash, again that word MARQUEE, again then close it. Yeah, that's all. The HTML tag is closed. Then again click on the compose window and click on update window. Now I would like to watch it in the screen where it is here. I would like to watch this screen. See, now the sentence is scrolling through the screen. In that way we can make some appreciable changes in the blog, and we can add several plugins. Okay, and now you try with this blog and develop a good blog for you. Thank you for watching.